Hello there, fellow Windows enthusiasts. In this video, we're tackling a common issue, the cluttered clipboard history. Sometimes our clipboard can become overwhelmed with a jumble of copied items. Join us as we guide you through the simple steps to clear the clipboard history in Windows 11, helping you keep your digital workspace clean and organized. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. The easiest and quickest way to empty clipboard history in Windows is through the Clipboard tab. Press the Windows plus V keyboard shortcut to open the Clipboard tab. Click the Clear All button. If you want to clear an individual text, click the three dots next to that text and click the trash icon. Another quick way to clear your clipboard history in Windows is by using the Settings app. Right-click the Start button, then open Settings. Choose System from the left sidebar and Clipboard from the right pane. Click the Clear button next to the Clear Clipboard Data option. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful in simplifying your Windows 11 experience, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel.